So today I'm going to teach you how to know if your pineapple is ripe. So firstly, you need a stick. You need a stick like this. And what you are going to do with this stick, yeah, you can knock it on this pineapple. When it sounds like this, it is already can be eaten because it has become yellow, the color, the skin. So it is already perfectly ripe, and you can um, eat this pineapple, meaning it has perfectly or fully ripe and matured. I think that's all. Thank you for watching and see you again. Goodbye.